Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Technoholic. In this video, I'm going to start a brand new series of WordPress in 2025. So WordPress, as we know, is one of the most loved platform because of its simplicity it provides and let you create your own website managed by you without knowledge of any coding. And the good part is that WordPress websites are very SEO friendly, and in this first video, I'm gonna show you how we can download and install WordPress in our system. And in our upcoming series, we also will talk about after installing how we can prepare our own website, and then when you think that you are ready, then you can spend some bucks and can upload that website on internet. So if you want to follow our entire series, make sure to subscribe to Technoholic so that you do not miss any step. Okay, so let's jump into our computer screen and let's get started. And here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open EDGE, which is nothing but Microsoft default browser. So the WordPress variant that I'm gonna use is one of the simplest one. I do not want you to be confused. So we're gonna go with WordPress by Flywheel, and actually it really doesn't matter which WordPress you use, because all the WordPress are same, just the packaging and the provider are different. And the reason why I like this particular one is, as I told, I just want your experience to be as easy and simple as possible. And we will show our creativity where it is required, which is building beautiful website. Okay, so now let me click here on this link. And not to worry guys, I'm gonna also provide this direct link in the description of this video. Okay, so all here we need to do is we need to click on download. Okay, and now from here you need to choose your platform. Currently I am using Windows, so I'm gonna choose Windows, and then here I'm gonna enter my other detail. Then let's click here on get it now, and there we go, the process of download has begun. Okay, after downloading, all we need to do here is we need to click on open. Then in this step, let's say in your system, if there are multiple users, you want them also to use this app, then you can choose this one, or else you can go with this one. If you have only one user, it really doesn't matter. You just keep all the things as it is and then click on next. Then here you need to select the destination folder. If you want to install it in C drive, just don't worry, just keep all these things as it is. Now let's click install. And here we can see it is also installing a Visual C++ 2012 redistributable. Okay, and there we have it. We have successfully installed WordPress in our system. Now all we need to do is we need to click on finish, and it will run on our system for the first time. Here we need to accept terms and condition, and there we go. So now I'm gonna click here on close, and it's up to you if you want to create an account. I do not want to, so that's why I clicked on close. Now here it is asking, if you want to help local WP in finding out the errors, then you can turn on reporting. I am okay with that, so I'm gonna click on no thanks. So it really doesn't matter. So it is totally up to you. Okay, so this is how the interface look like. And since this app run automatically, let me actually close this and go here on menu button, and then I'm gonna type local, and then let's click here on run. So that's how also we can start this app. Now one USP of using this particular variant of WordPress or this particular package of WordPress is that you are not limited to one site. You can create multiple websites, and it's very easy guys. So now let's say you want to set up your new WordPress website. You need to click here on create new website. So we have got here three options. One is creating a new website. Another one is creating from blueprint, which is, when we want to start a new website with pre-installed element like plugin and themes. If you click here on watch this, you can get more information about this particular option. Now let's go back here in local, And then this third option is more of, let's say you already have created your website or you want to reinstall it in local. So you can also do that. You also have that kind of freedom. Now, in my case, I'm gonna click here on create new just to, quickly get started, just to show you step by step. Now click on continue, and here you need to give your website a name, for example, Technoholic. And here, if you click on advanced option, you can further customize it. But I am okay. I'm gonna keep all these things as it is. Let's click on continue. Now here, you can select your environment, so you can always customize it, what PHP version you want, what web server you want. We have got both Nginx and Apache, and then database also. You can see the different database version, as well as we can also see we have MariaDB as well as MySQL. Okay, so again, to make it simple, I'm gonna click on preferred, which is, I would say, really a very nice configuration. Okay, let's click on continue. And now here we need to create our user ID and password for WordPress. So let me create that. And let's say you want further option regarding this particular website. Let's say you want to change your language, that is also there. And then here we also have an option to create WordPress single website or multiple. Now I'm gonna hide these again just to make it simple, and let's click on add site. Now here you may require to allow, and now here you will see your WordPress website will be up and running in few minutes. And there we have it. We have successfully installed it. Now if I go here on the right hand side, we can see there are two options. One is to go to visit control panel, and another one is opening site. So let me click here on opening site, and this is how it look like. And here we can see the URL is also quite easy to type or friendly. Now let's talk about its admin panel, and for that again let's go back here in local and let's click here on WP admin. Now here we need to enter our username and password that we have just created. So I'm gonna enter the same. So always make sure that whenever we are creating user ID and password, we should note it down so that you can use it here. Okay, and that's how, guys, here we can see we have successfully logged into our WordPress panel. So that's cover one of the easiest method available to download and install one of the most popular CMS platform available in the market. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If you want to follow the entire series along where we're gonna cover everything step by step, then please make sure to subscribe to Technoholic, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.